Hello and welcome to the lecture series on multiple choice questions. Since we are in the segue of looking at multiple choice questions, today I have MCQs with respect to Indian financial systems, which is the general economics paper for SYBA. So let's get started. The first question is talking about definition of a bank, and it goes like this. A bank is defined as an institution that accepts deposits of what? And the options given to us are A, goods, B, money, C, non-money financial assets, and D, none of the above. So here you have to make sure that you give importance to certain words. So here we are looking at a bank is defined as an institution that accepts what? So here the underlying word is accepts deposits of what? Accepts deposits of money or goods or non-money financial assets or none of the above. So here the correct option or correct answer is a bank is defined as an institution or as a financial institution that accepts deposits of money only. So here money is the correct answer. Option B is the correct answer. So I hope the question is pretty much clear. Let us look at the next question. The next question is dash banks are single most important source of institutional credit. Here I am looking at which banks are the, again important word, single most important source of institutional credit. I have talked about institutional and non-institutional forms of credit, so please go and check the lectures as well. But here I am looking at what sort of banks are called as the single most important source of institutional credit, and the underlying options are A, cooperative banks, B, commercial banks, C, non-banking financial companies, and D, none of the above. So here commercial banks are the single most largest source of institutional credit in India. So option B is the correct option. Let us now look at the next MCQ. It is a not sort of a question. Which of the following is not main banking service? Which of the following is not a main banking service? Let us look at the options available to us. The first option is talking about acceptance of deposits. Okay. The second is talking about granting of loans or credit. Good enough. The third is talking about collection of IDs, and the last is talking about collection of instruments, financial instruments to be very precise. So here the odd option is collection of IDs. Bank is not doing it as a main banking service. Yeah. So this is the correct answer, is not a main banking service, and collection of ID is not a main banking service. Rather these three are, that is acceptance of deposits, lending, as well as collection of certain instruments. These instruments can be checks, drafts, and all of that. Let us now move to the next MCQ, which is talking about which of the following is a type of deposit. Here I am looking at type or types of deposits in a bank, and the underlying options are A, current, B, savings, C, fixed, D, all of the above. So these are all different types of deposits associated with a bank, and therefore the correct option here is all of the above. So this is how you solve MCQs. I hope this is pretty much clear. Let us now move to the structure of commercial bank, and let us look at how the question is framed. Here they are talking about the structure of commercial bank consists of what, or consists of dash, and the underlying options available to us are A, public and private sector banks. The structure consists of public and private sector bank. The structure consists of foreign sector banks. The structure consists of regional rural banks, and the structure consists of all of these options. That is the last option available to us. That means public, private, foreign, and regional rural banks. And the correct option here is the structure of commercial bank consists of all of these, that is public, private, foreign, and regional rural banks, and therefore option D is the correct answer. Let us now move to the next question, which is talking about the Reserve Bank of India, or RBI, was established on 1st of April dash. On 1st of April, which year? Here I am looking at which year, and therefore let us look at the underlying options available to us in that is on 1st of April 1930, 1st of April 1935. It's a very factual question. 1st of April 1940 and 1st of April 1945, and here the correct option or correct answer is 1935. So option B is the correct option. 1st of April 1935 is the correct option. I am looking at establishment of Reserve Bank of India. Let us now look at the next question, or the last question in this session, which is related to again Reserve Bank of India. Here I am not looking at the establishment of Reserve Bank of India, rather I am interested in the nationalization of Reserve Bank of India, and the question goes like this: the Reserve Bank of India or RBI was nationalized on dash. So here we have been given certain options, and we have to probably select the correct option, which is talking about the nationalization of Reserve Bank of India, and the underlying options are 1st of January 1947, 1st of January 1949, 1st of August 1949, and 1st of August 1947. So here again a factual sort of a question, and the correct option here is 1st of January 1949 was the date on which the Reserve Bank of India was nationalized. Here I was looking at establishment of the same, here I am looking at the nationalization. Establishment happened on 1st of April 1935 and nationalization happened on 1st of January 1949. So I hope the MCQs are pretty much clear. Please stay tuned, I'll be making more videos with respect to the same. Now these MCQs are talking about, this is chapter 2 from your semester 3 syllabus, which is for SYBA Economics General paper. Yeah, so this is Economics General paper, SYBA. So please stay tuned, I'll be making more videos with respect to the same. Thank you.